Hello children, today let us study Unit 2. Already we have learnt about this story, the tiger and the mosquito. Now let us go for all birds cannot fly. An ostrich was sitting with a gloomy face in a forest. A hen came there. The hen saw the ostrich. They talked to each other. What did they talk about? Read on. See here, the ostrich was there. It was sitting with a gloomy face, means with a sad face. Where it was sitting? It was sitting in a forest. See what happened there? A hen came there. Then the hen saw the ostrich. See, hen saw the ostrich and they talked each other. So here are the characters, children: hen, ostrich and other birds. Let us see the ostrich, hen and peacock, what the conversation had took place. First, hen. Good morning, ostrich. How are you? See, ostrich is saying, good morning, ostrich. How are you? Ostrich, boo-hoo, boo-hoo. I am sad, I am sad. What the ostrich replied? I am sad. So it makes it sound and said that I am sad. Hen, sad? Why? What's the matter? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? ಹೌದಾ? Sad ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Why? ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? Tell me, the ostrich asked. Ostrich, I am not happy with God. I am angry with him. See, ostrich was, why the ostrich was sad here? Because the ostrich was not happy with the God here. See the ostrich here. And the hen. So hen, why? What did he do? What the God has done for you? Tell me, ostrich, what happened? Now what the ostrich told. Let us see here. Ostrich, he has given me wings, but I can't fly in the sky. See, God has given me the wings, but I cannot fly in the sky. Look at those birds flying high in the sky. I can't do that. See what the ostrich was saying here. See, God has given me wings, but I cannot fly like other birds. And if I see the other birds flying, I'll feel bad. So when I see the sky, I'll feel bad. I can't do that. Same how the birds are flying, I can't do that. So I am very sad. Next, hen in kelitu. Oh, that's the matter. So what if you can't fly? Oh, hauda? Okay, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾಯಿತು ನೀನು ಹಾರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀನು ಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ? Look at me, I am also a bird. Children, listen here. Hen is also a bird. Cock is also a bird. See, look at me, I am also a bird. But even I can't fly. ನಾನು ಹಾರಬಲ್ಲೆ, ನನಗೂ ಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Ostrich, maybe. But I wish I could fly. ಮತ್ತೆ ostrich, what ostrich replied here? Yes, I know, but I wish I could fly. ನಾನು ಹಾರಬಹುದಿತ್ತ? So many other birds can fly. So many other birds can fly. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo, I am sad, I can't fly. So what the ostrich told here? See, so many birds can fly, but I cannot fly. So I am very sad. Hen, oh, don't worry. You can do so many things that other birds can't do. See, you can do so many things. Don't think that you cannot fly means you can't do the other things. See, if you do some things, the other birds can't do that one. You should be proud that you are the largest and swiftest running bird. See, you should be what? Proud. You should feel yourself as proud that you are a largest and the swiftest bird. You are largest and the swiftest bird means the fast bird. Swift means what? Quick run. Largest bird means big bird. And even ostrich lays the big egg among all the birds. So don't worry, you can do so many things that other birds can't do. You should be proud that you are largest and the swiftest running bird. See, ನೀನು proud feel ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು that you are a largest and the swiftest bird running bird. No bird can compete with you. ಸಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. And yes, there is no more things that you should be proud. See, there is no more things that you should be proud of. See, ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಡಿಗೂ ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So everyone is good in their own qualities. So we shouldn't compare for the other things, means for the other animals. Here the hen told. Meanwhile, a peacock enters. See, when the conversation was going with the ostrich and the hen, at that time the peacock also enters. What the peacock tell? Hello everybody. See, someone whenever we meet, what we do? We'll greet them. Friend hen, you were saying that the ostrich should be proud of one more thing. What's that? One more thing? ಹೌದಾ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀನೇನೋ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೌಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಏನದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? ದ ಹೆನ್ ಆಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್, the ostrich lays the largest egg of all. They weigh many kilograms. So what I said, that the ostrich should not compare himself to the other one. Why? Because ostrich is the largest bird, swiftest bird, running bird in among all the birds, and it lays the largest egg of all. That it weighs many kilogram. ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಕೆ ಜಿ ಇರುತ್ತದು. ಹೌದಾ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಗ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೈ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚಿನಿದ್ದು ಹಠ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಆದರೂ ನನಗೆ ಹಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. यहाँ ऑस्ट्रिच ने क्या कहा कि जो भी तुम कह रहे हो सही बात है, बट मैं उड़ नहीं सकता, मैं उड़ नहीं पाऊँगा. आई कांट फ्लाई. पीकॉक, ओ कम ऑन, डोंट बी सो सैड. पीकॉक क्या कह रहा है यहाँ? ओ डोंट बी सो सैड. हाँ, यू शुड नॉट बी सैड. तुम दुखी मत हो. लुक एट मी, आई एम ए बर्ड टू. सी, ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷಿ, but I can fly only few ads. See, even though I am very beautiful bird among all the birds, I have a beautiful feathers, but I cannot fly. I can fly for few ads, just for the few place I can fly, not for the fully up in the sky I can't fly. Be surprised to know, but there are many other birds who can't fly. See, be surprised to know, but there are many other birds who can't fly. Even many other birds are there that also can't fly. Be surprised to know that. You have to be surprised here by knowing the other birds that they cannot fly. Ostrich, wiping its tears and looking surprised. Really? So ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅವಾಗ? क्या हो गया इधर? ऑस्ट्रिच को खुशी हो गई. यस, मैं एक ही बर्ड नहीं हूँ, बहुत सारे बर्ड्स हैं जो मेरी तरह उड़ नहीं सकते. सो ऑस्ट्रिच वाइपिंग इट्स टीयर्स. हाँ, अपने आंसुओं को पोंछते हुए. टीयर्स मीन्स ಏನು? ಕಣ್ಣೀರು. ಕಣ್ಣೀರನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ಹೂ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್? What happened, children, here? The ostrich was wiped its tear, looking surprised. Really, many others? Can you tell me who those are? Hen, sure. Kiwis can't fly at all. See, kiwis are the birds that they can't fly. Penguins also. Penguins can hardly fly. they live on the snow. Yes, snow places ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. And they are all very happy. They don't feel sad at all. See, they don't feel sad at all. They won't feel. Ostrich, oh, is that so? Then I will not feel sad anymore. I will not feel sad anymore. Jumps around with relief. What the ostrich has done here? Jumped around with the relief. Now I am happy. Now I know all birds can't fly. Now I got it. अभी मुझे पता चल गया है कि सारे खग नहीं उड़ सकते, पक्ष नहीं उड़ सकते. हो I am happy, I am happy. Now I am happy, now I am happy. Lastly, finally, what the ostrich did here? It said that I am very happy now. Not only me, or many other birds also can't fly like me. So it has become happy there. See children, here are the meanings. Get the gloomy means what? Just get the meanings of the words there. Gloomy, sad, depressed, proud, feeling pleased with one's achievement. Swift, quick, sudden. Compete, take part in contest or competition. Yard, unit of measurement. I hope children you got this lesson, how the ostrich became happy finally. First it was sad when the ostrich came to know that like ostrich many other birds also can't fly. Ostrich become happy here. I hope children you understood this lesson.